What's up, Kurlz crew, and welcome again to my channel. I am Kurlz. Today I am going to be doing a product review. It is for a professional nail drill set. So if you guys followed my channel, you guys know that I started from doing press-on nails and I have graduated to doing full-on sets, you guys. So that drill helped me get these professional looking nails. So if you guys would like to see that, please stay tuned. Seriously, stay tuned. So let's get into this review. So I am going to unbox this for you guys so you can see all of the pieces in here. I have already used this clearly because my nails are already done, and I shaped and filed and did everything with all of my nails with this drill. Okay, so there is a white box here, and that is going to have the drill and an attachment here that goes onto the drill, electric base here, and on here you can see all of the knobs and handles. Well, not handles, but the knobs. And then they also give you this so that you can hold it on while you're working. They give you a bunch of extra drill bits. And then inside of here is the gold. These are all of your drill bits. And they give you a few extra ones in there too. So let me open this. Okay. And then just take these out, and there are little holes here so that you can put all of your tips in. So you can line them up. Nice clean line for you. Okay. So now let me show you what this thing can do. Okay, so let's get this attached. So just plug that into the DC out, and then that little piece that came with it slides in on the side, just like that. I mean, look at that. How much more professional can you get? You guys, I previously did a review on these. This is the Modessa, which is actually pretty powerful. This, you guys, is going to be completely different. Same aspect, same review process, except the difference is this is electric and this is professional. I'm going to show you what I mean about that in 1 second. This thing is super duper powerful. So if you guys are not prepared to know how to monitor, you know, what speed you need to have this on, you can literally burn a hole into your finger. Like, I'm telling you, I'm going to show you how in a second. But this one is pretty much, the one from Modessa is pretty much controlled by your batteries. As long as you have a good set of batteries, these do work for you. But if you are looking for a full super professional finish, then this is something that you're going to want to invest in. And it's only about $30 on Amazon. I'll give you guys all the information down in the description box. So let me show you how powerful this thing is. So I have some just regular generic white nails. I want you guys to actually be able to see how powerful this drill is. So I am just going to be grabbing a regular drill bit, and I'm going to attach that here. Move that out the way a little bit so you guys can see. And then I am just going to turn it on, and you'll see there's a green light. You probably can't see that, but there's a green power light here so that you can tell it's on. And then you are going to turn the drill power on, and you hear that? So this is medium. Okay, listen. That's on low. That's medium. This is not even half. Listen. And I'm going to show you guys full speed. So listen. Okay? Do you hear that? This thing's super powerful when you compare that to this. Okay? So let me show you the damage, because that's what you're here for. Let's turn this up a bit. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like at 25-ish %. Okay? This is how powerful it is at 25%. So, regular fingernail. Let me actually do it this way. Okay. You guys like that? This video is like ASMR. So, after a few seconds, the tip broke. Okay? Just a little bit. Now I'm going to put it on half speed. Okay? So it's at the halfway point. Watch. Less than a second, okay? Look at that. Look at that. I mean, now I'm going to show you guys full speed, just so you can see how powerful this is. Actually, let's do about 75%. It's going to demolish this now. It has completely changed the shape of the nail. Look at that damage. Can you guys see that? I want you to be able to see it. Look at that damage. Now, full speed, okay? I can't even hold it in my nail. It's so powerful. Watch this. Ah! Look at that. Look at that. This thing, amazing. Definitely worth the investment. Definitely worth the investment, guys. I'm telling you. For $30, professional. Okay? Super professional. Perfect. Okay, now for the rest of these, you guys, I'm not going to sit here and explain everything completely away. You pretty much are going to know what these nail bits are. And I've showed you the power of what this drill actually can do. And what I'm going to do is show you guys me actually doing these nails, so you guys can get an idea for how the drill is going to work with doing your actual nails. And I used a dip powder. It was red. I used a bunch of different dip powders. Those are the best things in the world. I will be doing a full video on a different color, because I always use red, you guys. But I will be doing a video soon on a different color, so look out for that. It will also be super bedazzled, you guys, because I got some really beautiful crystals. So look out for that. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of this video, watching the process of how I got to these nails. And enjoy. I decided to add tips, but you do not have to if you do not want to. I wanted a little bit of extra length on my nails. So there they are, and now I am just going to cut them down to the length that I like them. But I'm going to make them a little bit longer than usual because I'm going to file, and that's going to make them a little bit shorter. Here I am just taking the nail drill and I am just going to go over my fingers. I am going to smooth out the nail tips, and then I'm also going to just drill over my fingernail to remove any oils for me to add my acrylic. For my acrylic, I decided to use a dip powder. It is super easy to use. You literally just paint it on like nail polish and then dip, as you can see here. If you guys are not familiar with dip powders, I do have a tutorial out that I posted back in December, so I'll make sure that I put a link to that down in the description box as well. And then I'm just going to move on after these have dried, and I am going to begin to file, shape, and smoothen out my nails to give it that perfect professional look. So guys, keep watching so you can see the rest of the process, and I will talk to you in a moment. Another tip to make sure that you have a super professional look is to make sure that you grab the right drill bit. You want to make sure that you grab the ones that you are going to clean your nail beds out with, and you want to make sure that you clean up and make sure that all of the outsides and edges are nice and clean and smooth. To glam these up, I added a little bit of some red nail glitter. So I am just going to take some nail glue and then dip that directly in there. I am going to apply 2 coats of it and then just clean that off. And I applied that to 2 fingers on each hand. So what do you guys think about this nail drill? How do you think it worked? How do you think I did with my nails? Comment down below and tell me how I did. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.